Welcome to this tutorial on how to see the TradingView Heatmap. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to access and utilize the Heatmap feature on TradingView. This powerful tool is ideal for visualizing market performance and understanding sector movements at a glance. To get started first, you need to navigate to the TradingView website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one for free. Once logged in, locate the Screeners option in the top menu. Hover over it, and you will see a drop-down menu. Click on Heatmap to access the Heatmap view. Now that you have the heat map open, you will see a colorful layout representing different sectors and their performance. Each square corresponds to a specific stock within that sector, where the color intensity indicates the stock's performance. Green shades typically represent gains, while red shades indicate losses. Take some time to hover over the squares to see detailed information about each stock, including its price change and percentage change over the selected time frame. To customize your heat map, you can use the settings icon located in the top corner of the heat map. This allows you to select the time frame, change sectors, and adjust the overall appearance to suit your preferences. Remember to regularly check the heat map to stay informed about market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more TradingView tutorials.